Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to break down for you how you can save your designs and projects on Canva in 2026 in JPEG file format as images, for example. So let us get started. So head over to your design on Canva. We'll go with this Instagram post, click into share in the top right. Next, navigate to download, and here at the top choose the file type and switch from PNG, which is usually the default file type, to JPEG. After that, you may customize and change, for example, the design size, or resize it by using that slider here, as well as the design quality if you have access to the given account level or status. So to save or to export the given design, click into download in JPEG, and then it will be exported to your download folder on your device or to the location we have chosen. So that's it. Thanks for watching and have a fantastic day.